I want to quickly show you how to look up the Greek words for the English words that you find in your New Testament. We're going to be using Bible study tools because for this video, we're going to be looking them up in the New American Standard Bible. I have another video that shows how to look them up in the English Standard Version. But for this video, I want you to go to BibleStudyTools.com. And when you're there, you will insert the Bible reference and you want to select the New American Standard Bible translation because it is the translation that they have tied Strong's numbers to. And you will probably want to select the New Testament. Since you have the specific scripture reference, you probably don't necessarily need that, but because you can put in the search field particular words that you're looking for, like we're looking for apostle, so we could do that. But just to make it go a little bit faster, I put in a Bible verse that I knew exactly where it was. So when you get to the page, you will see a gear, which is where you will find your settings. You will want to make sure that you have turned on the Strong's numbers, and so you click on that gear and you will get your different settings. You're going to select the Strong's numbers because I don't speak Greek, so it would do me no good to look at a Greek New Testament. So I need to find a way to be able to identify Greek words that correspond to English words. And a man by the name of Strong did that. And he went through the entire Bible and he gave Greek words numbers. And so that when you find a resource that uses the Strong numbers, then it can connect to the corresponding Greek word. So that's basically when you hear people talking about Strong's, it's a concordance which has the numbers that correspond to particular Greek words. So when you've done that, it will turn every word blue because it makes them a link that they have selected. The website has connected to Strong's numbers. So we're going to click on the word apostles, and when we do, we get this web page that gives us the Strong's number for this Greek word, which happens to be 652. You see the original word in its original language. You see the transliterated word, and you also have the ability to listen to how to pronounce it, the transliterated word. Then you get the definition, and you'll see that it's a delegate or messenger, one sent forth with orders. It's specifically applied to the 12 apostles of Christ, but there are other places in Scripture where it has a broader sense, applied to other eminent Christian leaders or teachers. But when you actually look at the definition, it's a delegate or messenger, one sent forth. The difference between an apostle and a disciple is a follower. An apostle is a follower, but they have been sent out with a specific task that they are to do. And so that's one of the things that you might want to know, the difference between disciple and apostle. And the word apostle is very much tied to the word messenger. In fact, down here you can see how it's used in other passages. So the translators have used this same Greek word in other passages they've used it for messenger or messengers, but also is sent. Then over here on the right, you also see where other places this word is used, and you can click on those links to those the different books, and it will list all of the verses so that and in its entirety so that you can actually read those verses. And that, again, is another way for you to kind of do a word study on this particular word to make sure that when you are reading the word apostle in Scripture, that you have a good understanding of what the author meant for the original audience. So I want to go to the website just so you can see how it's done live. I am in the New American Standard Bible. I have gone to the settings, turned on the Strong's numbers. That's why they're blue. I'm going to click on the word apostles, and when I do, it's going to give me that page with that information so that I can find out the accurate definition for this word, the Greek word. So the best part about it, it's free.